Hi, this is Sean at Seedburo Equipment Company. Today I wanted to go over how to calibrate the 9000AG computer grain grading scale. You're going to need a 2,000 gram certified weight, and also if you're going to need the scale to be placed in service per your state, you're going to need to be certified by the Department of Weights and Measures for your state to be able to perform this. Okay, the first step in this process is locating the hidden button underneath the Seedburo emblem. It's right here. You can feel the bubble of the button right there. But you're going to push that hidden button and the print button at the same time. And if you hold it for 2 seconds, it's going to go into the Cal 0 mode. Once it goes into the Cal 0 mode, you're going to reach over and you're going to press 0, and it's going to count down. And once it does count down to Cal FS, then you're going to place your 2,000 gram weight onto the platter and hit 0 out again. And once it zeros, it's going to count down to the actual weight of the 2,000 gram weight, and the process is completed. Once this is done, you can remove the weight and it should go back to 0.0, and you have calibrated the 9000AG. Now that you've performed the calibration for the 9000AG computer grain grading scale, you're good to go. But if you do need a placed in service certificate and you're not certified per your state, you will have to call somebody from the Department of Weights and Measures per your state to come out to perform that certificate. Again, if you have any questions on this process or you'd like to learn more information about our scales, please give us a call at 312-738-3700, and you can always go to seedburo.com.